Hey everybody, today I'm showing you 3 cool UFO speakers. As you can see, 2 of them have a taller base and 1 of them has a more compact base. All of them are Bluetooth speakers, so you can take them with you anywhere. You don't need the base, but the base is used to levitate these magnetically, and they're actually easy to do. Let's see how they work. So while these are similar, there are differences, especially when it comes to magnets. For instance, you can't use this over this. Something that I've tested, it just doesn't float. So there's that one difference. All of these have this micro USB port that you can use to charge them. You can see there are small differences as far as how the magnets are attached there. But as far as how they work, they're all similar. You just hold this to turn it on. Same here. So the sounds are different, but they work pretty much the same way. You just have to turn it on, connect it to your Bluetooth device, and you're ready to go. You are going to need one of these adapters. You have the space, just have to connect this to it. Without battery, it's not going to work. So unlike a few of these that have a battery, not this particular model, but there's an airplane version that has a battery. It's a little bit larger base. This doesn't. Turn it on and turn it off with that. And when it comes to levitation, it's pretty easy. Put it there and just rotate it, and it works like that. It's very easy. Just bring it down over the center slowly. And with these also, it's very similar. The base is a little bit more sophisticated. It has color changing lights like this that you can change. You can turn the bottom off, you can turn the top off. Put over the base. Give it a spin. And you can do the same here. If you don't want to get these shakes, you want to make sure that you flow them properly and then give them a spin without actually too much disturbance. You can see how the levitation distance is. It's not that much higher anyway, if you can tell the difference. I personally like these tall bases better. They have cooler color effects and they're also much nicer. It actually looks like something that's, you know, if you have someone who's a fan of alien movies or flying saucers, they seem to be much better looking. So this is more compact, so if you don't have a whole lot of room on your desk, maybe you want to go with something like this. As you can see, I'm connected to all 3. Obviously the last one, the UFO 001, that's the one that actually is going to play music. I'm gonna switch to another speaker. Let's see how the sound quality is different. So if I go here, let's say, and I just forget about this one. I'm playing a podcast through this one first.
In quantum mechanics, particles are not viewed as separate and independent objects, but rather as waves of energy that exist in a state of probability. This means that particles can exist in multiple states at the same time and can interact with each other in ways that cannot be predicted with certainty. Quantum mechanics is a fundamental theory in physics that has led to many technological advancements, such as computer chips and lasers. Relativity that describes the behavior of very large objects, such as planets, stars, and galaxies. In relativity, space and time are viewed as interconnected and form a four-dimensional fabric called spacetime. This fabric can be distorted by the presence of massive objects, causing gravity to warp the shape of spacetime. This means that objects with mass cause a curvature in the fabric of spacetime. Relativity is also a fundamental theory in physics that has led to many technological advancements, such as GPS navigation. Overall, quantum mechanics and relativity are two important theories that describe the behavior of the very small and the very large in our universe. While these theories may be difficult to understand, they help us to better understand the world around us and have led to many important discoveries and advancements in science and technology.
So that's about it. These are 3 cool UFO speakers, 2 of them with the tall bass. They play your music, they're all Bluetooth. And the taller basses actually have color changing and more features, but the speakers are very similar as far as the design. I would say even in quality, they're pretty similar. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com at Gadgetify. I'm going to include where you can get these in the description, so you may want to check it out. Thanks for watching.